Hello guys, my name is Arsalan. Welcome back to my channel, and today we guys are going to solve a new Leetcode question, that is check whether two strings are almost equivalent with the help of Python. So guys, just before start to solve this question out, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the updates from the channel. So let's read out the question. The question says two strings word and word 2 are considered almost equivalent if the differences between the frequencies of each letter from A to Z between word 1 and word 2 is at most 3. So these all highlighted words, we have to make sure that we have to keep this thing in mind, that we have to just mark these highlighted words, and based on these words we have to just answer the question with our coding section. So given to string word 1 and word 2 each of length n, so they both have the same length, that is n. We can say that uh, if word 1 has a length of 2, then word 2 will also have the length of 2 because they both have the length of n. So return true if word and word return true if word 1 and word 2 are almost equivalent, or false otherwise. So guys, we have to return a boolean value here, and what actually we have to do here is we have to check if they are equivalent or not. So how do we check if they are equivalent or not? Let's understand with the help of example here. Let's say we have word 1 as a and word 2 as b. So now we will check the frequency of A here, that is 4, but here the frequency of A is 0. So they say that if the frequency of both of them is, means there is a frequency of 4 and here is 0. So if we subtract their values, their frequencies, there we will get 4. There is a here is 4 frequency, here is 0 frequency. So if we subtract 4 minus 1, we will be getting 4, that is greater than 3. So at most we have to return 3 here. So that's all we have to do. If you haven't understood this, let's move on to example number 2 and example number 3 as well. Let's understand it with the help of example number 2 and 3. That we have word a b c d e e f, word 2 has a b a c c. So we have to check the differences between them. So here the frequency of a is 1, and in word 2 the the frequency is 4. So if we check the absolute difference of their frequency, we will be getting 1 minus 4. So absolute difference would be 3. So 3 we will be getting here like this. And if we check b, it's 1 here and 1 here as well. So 1 minus 1 will be giving 0. So it's still true here. Now let's move further and check for c. It's c here is 1, then 2c here, then absolute value is 1. Then move on to ee, here is 0, so we will be subtracting 2 minus 0, that will be giving 2. And similarly it goes for f as well, f minus 1, that is 1 minus 0, and absolute difference would be 1. So guys, this is all we have to do here. We have to check each and every individual value in the word 1 and word 2 and mark their frequencies and check their absolute differences. If it's less than 3, then we can just write that they are almost similar or equivalent, we can say. As per the question, we have to make sure that they are almost equivalent, and if they are not almost equivalent, then we have to return a false value. So now let's move on to our coding section and start with creating two variable. So two variable would be our counter here. So I will say that chrT1, this our character 1, would be counter word 1. Similarly word 2, and I will write word 2 here as well. And what this will give me, it will give me the frequencies of the characters, meaning that if let's say if we have a word 1 has a and its frequency is 4, so it will give me that character 1 has a frequency of 4 and its value is a. Here also character 2, it will give me b has a frequency of 2 and c has also a frequency of 2. So that's all we will be getting here as a counter variable in the counter variable. Now after that let's move on further and I will check that for c, that's our character, c is our character in, let's write all the possibilities of characters, which would be a b c d e f g h I j k l m n o p q r s t u v w x y z. Let's check whether we have write it correctly or not. A b c d e f g h I j k l m n o p q r s t u v w x y z. So that's all the possibility we will be getting as in a character. Now let's check if f's means the absolute difference. So absolute value we will be getting. So f means the absolute value of CHRT, that writes the index of C minus CH, it's not, it should be CHRT1 instead, and CHR2C if it's uh, greater than 3, then return me false, and accept all these values, just return me true. Alright guys, now let's run this out and check for an answer. Oh, okay, so it should be in a capital C, not in a small, and now that should work here for us. So now see that it has been running successfully. So guys, let me explain it to you what we have done in a brief manner. First of all, we have created two counters, that would be count 1 and count 2, and that will be giving us the number of frequencies of each and every character occurring in word 1 and word 2 respectively. And then moving further here, we have created a loop here in which we will be checking C, and C would be every possibilities of the characters in our alphabet, in our English letters, that would be a b c d e f g h I j k l m n o p q r s t u v w x y z. So C is all the best possibilities in this. So we are checking that if absolute means the value should always be positive. So we are checking the absolute value of the differences between the uh, character 1 and character 2, their frequencies. If its frequencies are greater than 3, that means the absolute differences of the characters are greater than 3, just return me false, because that's all we have to do here. It should be less than 3. It should not be equal to 4 as well. It should be less than 3. It cannot be equal to 4. It cannot be equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and etc. So that's all we have to return, and if it's the case, then return me false, else return me all the values true. So that was all in the question guys. I hope that you guys have understood this question. No doubt that you guys have understood this question, and if you guys have not understood this question guys, please do ask me in the comment section that what were your doubts. So thank you guys for watching this video out. Please hit the like button, press the bell icon button, and comment in the comment section that you did like the video. Thank you guys for watching it. See you next time.